when she's upset. She's going off about something.
Oh, I think your nose fell off.
She doesn't get your humor like I do.
Where's my phone?
I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. She doesn't story like I do.
Ready?
She wears black skirts, I wear green shirts. She does drugs and I'm on the honor roll. Dream about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here most of the time, and you can see that I'm the one who understands you. Been here all alone, so why can't you see? You don't belong with me. You don't belong with me. Walk in the streets with you in your skinny jeans. Oh, it's how it ought to be. Laughing on the skate park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that can light up this whole town. They haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. So you gotta know you better than that. What you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear Converse. She does drugs and I'm on the honor roll. Dream about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here most of the time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You so belong with her. Baby, you so belong with me. You so belong with me.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, I remember you walking to Katie's house in the middle of the night. I know what it makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry. I know your favorite song, and I'll tell you about your dreams. And you know you belong, and you know it's with me. Can't you see that I'm the one who understands you? Been here all along, so why can't you see? You so belong with me.
Why isn't my password working? Is it on cat+lechh?
Oh no, how could you not know, baby? You so belong.